Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be decorating our guest bedroom. As I mentioned in my last video, I recently gave our daughter her bedroom set, which means we now have a new mattress. I ordered the Queen Rose Hybrid mattress, a standard 14-inch queen size, and I'm excited to share that Queen Rose is sponsoring today's video. Gone are the days of hauling mattresses around, as you can now have them delivered right to your front doorstep. Queen Rose offers a free shipping, a 100-night trial, and a 10-year warranty. Their aim is to provide you with a no-risk, no-pressure experience. Simply unbox your mattress, take it out of the plastic wrap, place it with the coil side down, and use the included opener to let the air into the mattress while you remove the plastic. Simply by cutting open the plastic, the mattress will begin to expand as air enters. It is advised to wait 24 hours before making your bed and sleeping on it, allowing the mattress to fully expand. The structure of the hybrid mattress standard model includes a supportive edge designed to prevent sinking on the sides. The Queen Rose Hybrid Mattress Standard is made with air cool, which can help lower your body heat by up to 30%, and it's also made with last form, which extends the mattress's lifespan. This mattress features 6 layers of memory foam that are both soft and breathable. It includes a pressure relief layer, fireproof cotton layer, and a support foam that is CertiPure US certified. It also includes an ergonomic design with 9 inches of 5-zone wrap coils. With superior motion isolation, it's perfect for you and your partner. The materials are CertiPure US certified and do not contain fiberglass, ensuring a safer and more comfortable sleep experience. This mattress is pretty heavy, so you may need a little help, and you can definitely open it a lot different from what I did, but I definitely recommend you having someone help you with lifting it to its location. This comfortable and budget-friendly mattress won't strain your finances. A big thank you to Queen Rose for sponsoring today's video. I'll provide the link in the description for those of you who are interested. Before I forget, I do want to add that Queen Rose do offer different mattress sizes as well as mattress types. So let's go ahead and continue decorating the space. We'll come back to the bed in just a second, but for now we're going to remove the curtains and add these darker ones to the space for our fall look. Now that we have the curtains hung, let's move back over to making the bed. This queen size mattress measures 80 inches long by 60 inches wide and 14 inches thick. Keep in mind your mattress width plus 2 times the thickness and a few inches on each side will determine what size mattress you need. We have a 60-inch mattress plus 14 inches times 2, which is 28 inches. 3 inches on each side for tucking, which is 6 inches. So we have 60 plus 28 plus 6, which is going to give us 94 inches. So I would say that a 94-inch by 96-inch quilt or bedspread would be perfect for this size mattress. Even if you're not going to tuck your comforter or bedspread, that 3-inch drop on each side is just enough to cover the split between the mattress and the box spring. And I'm using king size pillows in these standard size pillow covers to achieve more of a designer look in this bedroom. So the comforter or the quilt I selected is a 94-inch by 96-inch. And I would do the same thing if I had a king size mattress. I would definitely go with a 110 by 96. Our length a lot of the times is going to be the same unless you have a extra long mattress, which is usually found in dorms, or a California king. And I shared this bedspread, or some will call it a quilt, in my last haul. And I'm just going with brown on brown with the pillows, using 2 pillows I already had. And I purchased this new velvet looking pillow recently for $20 at HomeGoods. And we're making sure we tuck all the way around the bed, and we're creating a clean corner on the very end of the bed, just in case I decide to just throw the comforter on top and letting the end caps of the bed show. And now I'm just adding this duvet. I already put the duvet insert inside, and the sheets as well as the duvet are from Brooklinen. Absolutely love this set. It's a really good value as well. I'll leave a link to the one I'm using this space in the description for anyone who's interested. So let's carry on with the rest of the space. I was looking at this art. I love the art, but because we have black curtains on one side, I felt like some dark frames or dark pictures will pull the space together. And since I didn't have any, I decided to use some black electrical tape. Now, they do sell tape that's meant for this, and they also have rub and buff, but because this is a temporary thing, I don't want to change the color of the frame. So just doing this gave these pictures a different look. This electrical tape just happened to be the exact width of the lip of the frame, and then the outer part of the frame is a golden bronze color, so it looks like that is the way it was actually made. It does not look tacky. It looks just like it came straight out the factory like this. And I don't know if you can tell from the angle of the camera, but I am using scissors to cut this tape, and it lined up perfectly. Now I'm going to add a few items on each nightstand, And you'll see in just a minute, I did move the dresser down off camera as well as the art. It fit the space, but it didn't fit the area. So I slid it down and position it in such a way that it's perfect. And I used the double-sided tape to hang that art on the wall before, and now I just have it leaning on the wall. So there were no nail holes involved in placing this picture. And here is a view of the space from the attached bathroom. So there is a door leading to the bathroom from this way as well as from the hallway, and it does make it a little difficult when designing the space because we have 3 doors in this very small bedroom, and I believe the bedroom is somewhere about 8 by 11 feet. And this is how that art turned out. Absolutely love the way this space is looking right now, you guys. And feel free to like, share, and comment, and share this video with as many friends and family as you like. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Queen Rose, for sponsoring today's video and gifting us that mattress, which is well needed. So I'll leave the link to it in the description, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.